Hi, welcome back. Okay, so आज I'll be showing you like बहुत लोग ने पूछा कि like what you eat करके, so let me show you. Okay, so just hang on a second. I'll just flip off. Like rice and soya chunks, okay, and also it has paneer and like chana and okay, and also it has eggs, okay, 2 eggs. Let me just keep it aside, okay, and let me check, like, yeah, show you like what. So yeah, this is the eggs, like legs part, okay. Eggs is like here, okay, in niche, so put eggs, 2 eggs below, and then soya chunk, okay. So it's kind of like recipe. Let me just show it to you, okay. So 1 second, just. So yeah, this is like the recipe. It has like a palak paneer saag, okay, which was like 50 grams, which was already like pre-made, and then I had made like soyabean chunks, I had fried. Then eggs also I had like poached, and fair like dark chana, and it was like sprouted. So peanuts also, it was boiled, okay. So, and then cheese like cutted to small cubes, so the chota diced cheese, and fair onions, tomatoes, green chilies, then chopped coriander, and like rice, it was 50 grams, okay. So then like you poach eggs, okay, उसके बाद then you put soyabean के बाद you like that palak paneer saag, and उसको like आप लोग ये कर लेते हो like toss and थोड़ा stir fry हो जाता है, and then like you add chana and peanuts and cheese cutted वाला वो last में, and then chopped coriander, also like rice 50 grams. So ये सब like मिला के then you get this one, okay. So ये सब like after you prepare this, it becomes like this, okay. So yeah, so yeah, I eat this, okay, and like it's like good. So इसका जो basic जो concept, it is like eating in a bowl means it represents like completeness. So it is also very filling also because of like paneer and soybeans, yes, okay. So yeah, so you can try it out, okay. So you can see like palak like saag, it has like here, so it is like palak, that saag like that, okay. So yeah, don't be trying, you can try it at your homes, right? Yes, okay. Seeing the next one. Yeah, see ya. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand.